Ralph Chapman's Ultimate Small Shop Review. Does it really help to build your own wood shop with a very little investment? Ralph's ebook on building a woodworking shop is the innovative program which will help people to complete their project by using some best tools and simple techniques. Ralph Chapman is a professional woodworker and has been working as a woodworker for more than 25 years. He already helped many people to build their small shops and stores at a small budget. In this Ultimate Small Shop Review, I'll explain the primary goal of this program and whether the program actually works or not. Moreover, I'm going to break down exactly why the program is so good, why you should trust the creator of this program, what's bad about the program, and by the end, give you the ability to decide whether it's right for you or not. So stay till the end of this video to know everything about the Ultimate Small Shop program. Before moving ahead, subscribe to Reviews for Life channel for more such videos, and if you want to get Ultimate Small Shop program at a limited time discounted price, do check out the link in my description box below this video. What is Ultimate Small Shop all about? The Ultimate Small Shop PDF describes all the common problem in detail that woodworkers have to face or deal with in their daily life. Some common worries such as right tool selection, small space to work, shop layout selection, panic at work if bad tools used, heating, cooling, ventilation problem, etc. can be easily handled. The Ultimate Small Shop ebook offers complete guidance to woodworkers to set up their own workshop. According to the Ultimate Small Shop guide reviews from its previous users, there are hundreds of pages in the book that describes strategies, advice, instructions, price guides, and other important resources. Ralph's Woodworking Shop Guide could be the leading book available today. Ultimate Small Shop ebook program is appropriate for everyone who loves woodworking. I certainly recommend this ebook to other readers, and recommend it to new woodworkers, mainly because it will resonate better with them. What's included inside this program? The Ultimate Small Shop ebook has various modules. Each module describes different strategies that will help woodworkers who are setting up a workshop. Module 1. Tool Selection. Tool selection is an important job for woodworkers, as many bad tools can cause money loss and can stop working within a small piece of time. In this module, you can find the best tools to use and also tools to avoid. As mentioned in this, the Ultimate Small Shop Review, there are some tools which you should avoid, i.e. Delta 31-255X drum sander, Harbor Freight 6 inches jointer, Ryobi detail sander, and Ryobi benchtop table saw. The proper understanding of tools and instruments can drop the chance of making faults. All you will distinguish after reading the book is that you can decide exactly which tools should you use for your workshop. Ralph Chapman provides the complete shopping list of his own hand tool and power tool with its direct buy links so that people make a purchase. This will make your job much easier than before. There are some tricks that manufacturing companies won't tell. These tricks keep your tools up to date and in working condition for several years. You need to practice those tricks before and after starting your woodwork. This will definitely increase the efficiency of your tools. Unfortunately, my Ultimate Small Shop book review couldn't reveal the secrets. But the book has it all. Ultimate Small Shop ebook stated all tips of getting these tools at huge discounts. You would like to avoid wasting money, so there's a full list of suppliers that provide low-cost and high-quality tools. Module 2. Space Selection. While setting up a woodworking shop, some important points you need to understand to make your work easier. This module delivers you complete information on how to select the perfect space for your workshop. After completing this course, I got ideas for all sizes of workshops, whether small or large. Now I can do this setup in my garage, roof space, basement, and also at the corner of my apartment. You will learn to manage your workshop into different areas of your home. Module 3. Shop Layouts. Once you have selected the space for the workshop and all tools and equipment are installed, the next job is to select the best workshop layout for your work. Without investing any money, this course is going to help you with planning and designing your workshop in an area which is vacant and available for use. The one course made me perfect in managing my workshop with full floor plans and space-saving layout references. Module 4. Heating, Cooling, drying and dust. As I mentioned in the Ultimate Small Shop Guide review earlier, these are the common issues that occur while using these tools, which can create irritation while working. I experienced that the Ultimate Small Shop Guide guarantees and makes me learn how to maintain clean air even if there is no ventilation. How to find the best quality of heaters for your shop. How to store wood for a long period, etc. Module 5, Electricity, Lighting and Soundproofing. Under this module I learned a lot about the ins and outs of electricity and lighting for my workshop. Also you will get to know how to make your shop soundproofing. The Ultimate Small Shop Setup Guide provides the complete information and step-by-step instruction to play with these complex things. Module 6, Safety. In my Ultimate Small Shop Guide review, I found that safety is the most important part which cannot be neglected. Everyone should follow the guidelines given under this module to avoid serious injuries while working in your workshop. The 10-item checklist for the shop given in this section helped me in maintaining and organizing the total safety of my workshop. How does the Ultimate Small Shop ebook can help you to set up a small shop? Woodworkers either experienced or inexperienced, having any capability and level will surely find the usefulness of this course. The useful techniques and illustrative diagrams available in the book helped a lot in setting up my workshop. After purchasing the Ultimate Small Shop course by Ralph Chapman, you will get well-drafted, clearly mentioned plans for building up your small woodworking shop. You are going to get a full plan and complete step-by-step instructions on how to build, shape, and construct a small wood workshop. This one book improved my confidence level to new heights and made me proud of myself. You can also do the same. Just all you need to do is to follow each and every instruction carefully and you will definitely be able to build your workshop on your own. I experienced a lot of difference between Ralph's woodworking ebook and the rest other books available in the market. My Ultimate Small Shop Guide review finds that this is a thorough and comprehensive book which not just delivers quantity but also quality as well. The Ultimate Small Shop book can support you entirely and finish your job, doesn't matter how tough it is, as you will be instructed in each step. All ebook covers tools, material, detailed construction, snapshots, 3D drawings, cutting list, and shopping references. The guide shows you all what you need to organize and do to complete your work on time. What I like about this program: you can download the ebook immediately after payment. There's no need to wait weeks to receive it through the mail. Ralph Chapman goes to great lengths to explain how to choose the best tools for your shop, and why using substandard tools will damage your business. The guide shows you where to find the best equipment and tools cheaply. It teaches you how to set up a small workshop, even if your budget is small and you have little space. Ralph Chapman practices what he preaches, having set up his own workshops using the methods in the guide. Undoubtedly, you will learn much from his quarter of a century of experience. The ebook comes with a no questions asked refund guarantee, which means that your money is protected. If the guide does not live up to your expectations, simply ask for your money back and this will be provided. Extra bonuses are included with the course, which are extremely useful and detailed. What I didn't like about this program? The guide is not a shortcut method that allows you to set up a workshop quickly, with no effort. You still have to put in some work to achieve your desired results. What other people are saying about Ultimate Small Shop? Many people who purchase the Ultimate Small Shop ebook are extremely satisfied with it. Most online reviewers of this course say that it allowed them to avoid several errors that would have wasted their money. Other reviewers, who never attempted a large project like setting up a workshop before, say that the ebook simplified the process. Negative feedback about this program is few and far between. These days, many vendors of digital courses fail to provide reviews from real customers, and just offer brief comments, with no proof of who said them or where they came from. The customer testimonials for the Ultimate Small Shop are shown on the vendor's main website, with screenshots of where they originate from. This gives them much more credibility. What's the file format of Ultimate Small Shop? Ultimate Small Shop is a digital product and can be downloaded instantly after purchase in PDF, ebook format or viewed online. Ultimate Small Shop is compatible with desktop and laptop computers, iPhones, iPads, and virtually any tablet, smartphone, or other device that has PDF viewing capabilities. Product cost is $39 and it's a one-time payment. However, you can get it now for a special discount by clicking the link in description below this video. Shipping cost: nothing is shipped. Everything is delivered online instantly. Is it available offline at traditional booksellers? No. Is it available on Amazon? No. Is there any refund policy? Yes. It's backed by a 60-day, no questions asked, full 100% money-back guarantee. Is this program offers a secure online payment? Yes, payments and refunds are handled by ClickBank, which employs encryption technologies using Secure Sockets Layer (SSL) from trusted vendors like VeriSign and Thought to encrypt sensitive data such as your financial information. Where can I buy Ultimate Small Shop? Ultimate Small Shop is only available on the official website, whose link is given in the description box below this video. Should you buy Ultimate Small Shop? The Ultimate Small Shop program is great for budding carpenters, woodworkers who want to run their own business, but who do not have much spare capital. If you always dreamed of setting up your own carpentry workshop, there's no need to let a lack of space or money stop you. Using this course, you can soon have an affordable, small, but fully functional workshop up and running, customized with all the right tools. If you intend to run your own workshop, knowing the common errors and avoiding them is extremely important. The Ultimate Small Shop is a comprehensive carpentry guide that has been painstakingly researched. It contains everything you require to start your carpentry business and learn from other people's mistakes. For this reason, it deserves a 5/5 star rating. The no quibble refund guarantee removes any financial risk on your part, which makes this a complete no-brainer. Purchase this guide today and see for yourself how simple it is to get a workshop set up, if you focus your efforts accordingly. And, with the money-back guarantee, this becomes easier for you. So click the link in the description box below to get access to Ultimate Small Shop at a limited time discounted price. Last but not least, thank you for sticking with my Ultimate Small Shop review until the end. Have a good day.